Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new page in Google Docs. Without further ado, let's jump right in. I'll be using this document as an example. First, let's head into Edit mode. But before you do anything else, tap the More menu in the top right corner. That's the one with the 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and toggle on Print Layout. Once that's on, I'm going to hit the back button just to hide the on-screen keyboard for a second. Now we can clearly see the edges of the page. As you can see, this document only has one page right now. Here is how you add a new one. Position your cursor. This is important. If you want to add a page after your current one, make sure your cursor is at the very end of the last sentence. If you want a page before this one, put the cursor at the start of the text. Open the Insert menu. Tap the plus Insert button at the top of the screen. In the menu that pops up at the bottom, scroll down a bit until you see Page Break. Give that a tap. The result. Let's check it out. I'll hide the keyboard again so you can see better. There we go. Right under the first page, we now have a fresh, blank page. If you want to add even more pages, it's the exact same process. Check your cursor, hit Insert, and select Page Break. Pretty easy, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Droid Tips channel. See you in the next Android tutorial.